Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord keeps freezing on PC. So for that, first you just go to your settings, then you wait until it loads, then select the chat, and here you should disable some options. So first this one with image description, for me it's already disabled. Then also navigate down to stickers and disable both of those sticker options. So yeah, that's the first step. The second one is going to accessibility and then disable sync with PC, which is here, showing up here, reduce motion, sync with PC, disable that one. And yeah, the other thing is going to voice and video, then disable the echo cancellation. Here, disable it, and also the noise suppression, toggle it off, so select none here. Yes, so those are the main steps, and if this still doesn't help, there are some more steps that I will show up here in the screen, so you can read them and try it for yourself if you have something like this already toggled on. So the first one would be to disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Even though that it improves at the performance, it can also generate the freezing. Then the next thing that you can try is making sure that you're not running a Discord in any compatibility mode for versions of Windows older than what you're running. And the last one is, if you have any keybinds defined on Discord, just turn them off. And because when two or more apps are shared on the same keyboard shortcuts, this can also lead to freezing. I hope I could fix your problem, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if it was helpful for you. Bye.